Step by step. First, we're gonna draw two simple circles as eyes. Okay, and we're gonna make a simple line like this. Okay, and make two circles, one big, one small, in each one of them, just like this. Okay, and then we're gonna draw an eyebrow just like this over here, and just make it nice and smooth. We don't want any detailing of that kind. Now see, you have to make this one a little smaller than this one, because I don't know, but we have to make it like that. Then we're gonna make the nose another big circle, and then we're gonna make the mustache like this. Make a simple line like this. Boom. And then just make an imaginary line over here. And boom. That's see. Remember, both of them don't have to emerge at the same point over here. They can be differentiated. Just adjust the drawing till you feel it's right. Okay? The drawing should be symmetrical on the face. Okay? Make the mouth. It's very easy. Just do this. Okay? And just draw a simple line like this. This will be the tongue. Now we're gonna make the boundary. Just make it look more natural and more, cuddly like this. Wide or too narrow. Like, just do this. And then make each stroke separately so that it looks more perfect. I suggest you do this with pencil first, like I am doing, and then do it with marker, because if you have any mistake, you can then easily erase it and then do it again. Still do it with pencil, because why take risks, like, So let's take it over here and just simply do this. Okay, then take it again and do this, and then take it again like this. And then this, and then just simply take the famous cap of Santa. Just take it from here. Boom. And smoothly in one stroke to just release it like this. And over here, just take it a little longer and just simply do this. And then, of course, the furry hairball, the furry ball, which comes after that. Now, let's see. We'll make the body next. From here, just do this. Okay. From here, do this quite easily. Take it a little long, okay? From it, please. A little long. Like this. And then you have to attach these two in a curve like this. Okay, just take a little bit out and in, out and in, and then just make it symmetrical. Bam. Now we are gonna make the left hand first. But like this, and just attach this like this. Just take a little forward, attach it again, and make a ball. See, the more you focus on details, the more time it will take. And on a cute drawing like this, there's no need for details. Like, it's already looking cute. You know what I mean? Next, we're gonna make the right hand waving at you. Just check the camera and make it constantly like this. Boom. We have the arm over here ready. Oh no, not ready. Now it's ready. And just simply, so you're gonna do it like this, the arm. It's looking too deep, but it's good. And then, see, you have to make a rectangle type shape, but don't make it super sharp because it'll look better then. And then simply draw a wavy line like this, and then straight, and then a wavy line like this, and then two straight lines like this. Boom, bam, bam. Oh, sorry, we are going to make the legs. Boom, back. Okay. Now the legs are quite simple. Now see, there's a thing over here which you have to make it do to make it look nice and 3D, okay? Copy it like that on the other side. But make the